Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I have the base box BoxyCharm to open. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's take a look. So today I have my base box BoxyCharm. So let me tell you real quick. The base box is the lowest end box and it's $25 for 5 full-size products. There is a luxe box that you can get if you are subscribed to the base box or the premium box, and that's an additional $24.99. So you'll get base box 1 month, base box the next month, luxe box the next month. So every third month you'll get a luxe box. So I think mine's in March where I'll get the luxe box, because I got my IPSY X box, which is the same as the luxe, for February. So it's going to alternate. Thank goodness it's not in the same not on the same schedule. So hopefully they did that intentionally. But so below you'll find a link to my BoxyCharm. I'm not sure exactly what you get off. It's always kind of different. Sometimes you get a free gift. Sometimes it's so many dollars off. I get what they call BoxyCharm charms. So you have charms, which it works like money. So as many charms as you have, you can go into the store and use those charms towards something you want to buy. So if you're interested, go below. So this, like I said, this is the BoxyCharm base box. Let me go ahead and open this up so you can see inside. Every time I do this, I seem to drop the paperwork. So let's see if I can see. And that wasn't the paperwork. Oh, it's bloopers every single time lately on my boxes. So that's what it looks like inside. So on the outside, it's got a little card that says BoxyCharm. And then on the inside, it tells you all your items and what came in your box and how much it retails for. Since I am blind, and especially to you new people who are just watching my channel or thinking about subscribing, I am legally blind. So I do wear glasses, but I still cannot read print or anything like that. I go onto my iPad and it has all the items on there, and then I zoom everything in. So a lot of times the letters are at least half the size of my iPad, so that I can read it. That's just how I do it. So, okay, so let's see what I got in the box. We might as well take out the first item that fell out, which is this item here. It looks like it might be some brushes. So it's a pink plastic snap bag. Can you see the snap? Okay. And let's see what we got inside. It is some brushes. So those are pretty. Look at the... So these are a set of eye brushes. There's 4 of them. And then there's the design at the bottom. Now, I can't see that yet, but I'll look once I go back to do my editing. So that's my first item, is 4 brushes. This may go in my giveaway. I have another set of new ones that I haven't used yet. So I think I will put this little pink pouch of brushes into my giveaway. And just to let you guys know, I am having another giveaway when I hit 250 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I want to get to my giveaway. I've got a whole box of stuff. So I'm going to be using another Balzano handbag, and I'm going to be filling that handbag with goodies. So you'll get to know about that as soon as I get closer to the 250 mark. Okay, so those are cute. We're going to put that over here, though, because I want to make sure I add that to my my bag. Okay, so the next item looks like it might be a palette. Let me go ahead and check this out real quick. Oh, let me tell you a little, those brushes that I was just showing you. They're made by Glamoury is the number, and it says Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Let's see what the retail value is. Retail value is $29.95. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do this because I don't know if it's upside down or right setup. So let me go ahead and get into this box and see what it is. It does have the name on the front of it, and like I said, I can't read it. It all has to go underneath my iPad or phone so that I'm able to use a low vision type aid. This one is a $36 retail value. It is Wander Beauty, and it is the, hold on just 1 minute, I lost it. It is the Gateway Eyes and Face Palette. So it looks like it has a highlighter, a blush, and a couple eyeshadows. I'm going to try and do it without you guys seeing the mirror. Very pretty. Very neutral colors. And then the blush is a pretty color and the highlighter is. So if you need to go somewhere for just a day and you need to just take some makeup with you, that's all you need. So that's really pretty. I like that. I like these type of things for traveling. And someday we'll get to do that again. Let me grab a drink. Okay. So that's 2 items. Let's see what we got in the third one. Okay, that's what the box looks like. Okay, guys, item number 3 looks like this. Back up a little bit. Okay, so I showed you the box. This is $32. It is called the Tool. It's made by Tula Skincare. It is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. So it's a cleanser. Now, at my age, my skin is pretty clear. I don't, gosh, maybe not even once a year anymore, never get any kind of pimples or blackheads or any of those things. So, I have to put that in the giveaway also. So, I have 2 items left. Let's see. We'll go with this one next. $23 is the retail value. It is the Evo Beauty Perfect Primer. And I am definitely in the need of a primer. Yep. So again, this is it. Happy to get this one. And then the last one. It's got like clear liquid in it. Not exactly sure what this one is. Let me see if I can find it. So $14.99 is the retail value. This is the Beauty Crop Cocoa Gold Mist. I'm going to click on it and see if it tells me anything else because I don't know what that means. I mean, what does it do? How to use. Let's see where it says how to use. Okay. Shake well before each use. Spray onto clean skin to prep or after makeup application, okay, to set and finish for a dewy glow. Okay, so this basically is a setting spray, I think. So you would use this if you want to before you put all your makeup on or after. I normally use my setting sprays after I'm done with all of my makeup, and then I'll just do a quick spray. So that's a good item too. So guys, I got, what did I do with it? There it is. Okay. So I have 2 items going in the giveaway. So this is the eyeshadow brushes, and this is the blackhead scrub. Those 2 items will be going into the giveaway. Then I have the setting spray, the primer, which I really needed, and then I have the little blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow case. So that was a good box. What do you guys think? Please don't mind me licking my lips all the time or talking kind of weird. My Sjogren's syndrome of dryness is really acting up this morning on my mouth. So let me grab another drink. I'm just drinking some iced tea. Hopefully get it better. It's harder to talk when it gets so dry. But like I was saying, this box is $25 a month. Go below. There'll be a link down below. And you click on that link and you can get one for yourself. Usually you get a free gift, at least when you sign up, and some charm points that you can use towards items. So subscribers, thanks again for hanging out with me. Hopefully there's something in this box that you like or just think is pretty awesome. And to those who are not subscribed, there is a subscribe button down below. You can click on that. There's a bell, so you are notified when my videos come out, which you can click on that. And please, if you guys like or dislike my video, I would really appreciate you clicking on that, so that helps my videos get out to more people. So I have a long-term goal. I don't know when I'll hit my 1,000 subscriber mark, but I'm at 168. And yes, I know I can do it. So like I said, 250, we are going to have a big giveaway with a Balzano bag filled with skincare, makeup, lifestyle, just everything. So that video will come up once I get closer to getting to my goal. So I do have a earring giveaway that will probably be not next week, but the week after. It looks like all of this week and next week, we are getting snow. So Arkansas doesn't get snow very often. It's been years since I've seen the snow, but it looks like we might actually be getting 5 to 8 inches where we're at. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited to see snow, maybe play in the snow with the grandkids, but then it'll be gone. Like you guys know, I love beach weather. That is me. So, let me show you my pretty necklace. This is Grandma. I'm a proud grandma. Okay, guys, I'm going to let you go. I got some other things to film and edit, but I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.